Number 15. The Peterbilt 579 Airy Sleeper represents a sophisticated blend of aerodynamic efficiency and residential-grade comfort, transforming long-haul trucking into a refined living experience. Built on the advanced 579 platform, the truck features a sculpted hood, optimized airflow contours, and engineered side fairings that reduce drag, while maintaining strong highway stability. Powered by a high-torque diesel engine paired with a smooth shifting transmission system, it delivers dependable performance across extended interstate routes. The defining feature is the Airy Custom Sleeper Module, designed to provide a fully functional living space tailored for life on the road. Inside, the layout can incorporate a private sleeping area, premium cabinetry, kitchen appliances, climate control systems, and integrated entertainment solutions. High-quality insulation enhances temperature consistency and sound reduction, creating a quiet environment for rest. The driver cockpit remains ergonomically optimized with Number 14. The 2024 Kenworth W900L, with a 156-inch Airy sleeper, preserves the iconic long hood legacy while integrating expansive custom living accommodations designed for serious long-haul operations. The extended hood houses a powerful diesel engine engineered for consistent torque delivery and highway durability, paired with a heavy-duty transmission that ensures smooth power transfer under demanding loads. Its classic aerodynamic profile, chrome accents, and bold grille maintain the unmistakable W900L presence, while benefiting from modern engineering refinements that enhance efficiency. The 156-inch Airy sleeper transforms the rear section into a residential-style space, featuring premium cabinetry, dedicated sleeping quarters, climate management systems, and optional kitchen and restroom facilities. Structural reinforcements ensure that the extended sleeper integrates seamlessly with the chassis without compromising balance or stability. Inside the cab, Number 13. The Volvo VNL Expedition truck, built by Bolt Custom Trucks, redefines over-the-road travel by integrating long-haul capability with expedition-level residential customization. Built upon the aerodynamic VNL chassis, the truck features refined airflow management and structural durability, suited for extended cross-country journeys. Its advanced diesel powertrain delivers efficient torque output while maintaining smooth and quiet highway operation. The Bolt Custom conversion introduces a highly functional living space engineered for extended independence, incorporating sleeping quarters, premium cabinetry, integrated appliances, and advanced climate systems. The interior design emphasizes modern finishes and optimized storage solutions, maximizing comfort without sacrificing structural integrity. Reinforced suspension systems ensure stability under additional weight, maintaining balanced handling across varied terrain. The cockpit integrates digital driver displays and connectivity features that enhance operational efficiency and navigation precision. Enhanced insulation and soundproofing create a controlled and quiet environment, suitable for both work and rest. The Volvo VNL Expedition truck reflects a balance of performance engineering and luxury accommodation, delivering a self-contained mobile residence engineered for serious travel and long-term road living. Number 12. The Kenworth T680 long-haul sleeper embodies aerodynamic innovation and driver-focused design, engineered to deliver fuel efficiency and comfort across extensive routes. Its sculpted hood and integrated fairings reduce drag while maintaining structural durability, supporting improved highway stability and operational economy. The powertrain combines a high-efficiency diesel engine with a responsive transmission system, ensuring smooth acceleration and dependable pulling capability under heavy loads. The sleeper configuration is designed to provide practical living space, featuring organized storage compartments, climate management controls, and a comfortable sleeping berth engineered for restorative rest. Advanced insulation materials minimize cabin noise and regulate interior temperature, creating a quiet and stable environment for long-distance drivers. The driver's area integrates digital displays, ergonomic seating, and intuitive controls that enhance comfort and situational awareness during extended operation. Safety technologies such as stability systems and driver assistance features contribute to controlled handling in varied conditions. The T680 long-haul sleeper represents a refined balance between performance efficiency and practical comfort, making it a dependable platform for professional operators seeking reliability, aerodynamics, and thoughtfully engineered accommodation. Number 11. The Peterbilt 389 777 Custom Sleeper combines classic long hood styling with highly customized residential integration, creating a bold statement in both performance and luxury. Built on the durable 389 chassis, it features a powerful diesel engine configuration engineered for heavy-duty hauling and consistent torque output. Chrome detailing, extended wheelbase proportions, and traditional styling cues reinforce its commanding presence while benefiting from modern mechanical reliability. The custom sleeper module expands the truck's functionality into a mobile living suite, often incorporating full-size sleeping quarters, premium cabinetry, entertainment systems, and dedicated climate control solutions. Structural reinforcement ensures the sleeper integrates seamlessly with the frame, while maintaining balanced weight distribution and road stability. The cockpit area emphasizes driver ergonomics, featuring advanced instrumentation and supportive seating designed to reduce fatigue over long distances. Enhanced insulation improves sound control and thermal stability, supporting comfortable rest conditions. The 389 777 Custom Sleeper represents a union of heritage design and contemporary luxury engineering, delivering both mechanical strength and residential comfort in a configuration built for extended highway living. Number 10. The Freightliner Cascadia, with a 126-inch custom bolt sleeper, represents a modern interpretation of long-haul efficiency blended with tailored residential comfort. Built upon the aerodynamically optimized Cascadia platform, it incorporates advanced airflow management, sculpted body panels, and fuel-efficient engineering designed to reduce operational costs while maintaining consistent highway stability. The high-performance diesel powertrain delivers dependable torque output. Number 9. The Peterbilt Yellow Custom Mega Sleeper exceeding 200 inches transforms the traditional long-haul truck into a fully realized mobile residence engineered for extended road living. Built on a durable Peterbilt chassis, known for strength and reliability, it houses a powerful diesel engine designed to provide consistent torque and smooth highway cruising performance. The extended Mega Sleeper structure dramatically increases interior volume, allowing for residential-level amenities such as full sleeping quarters, kitchen installations, storage cabinetry, integrated restroom facilities. Number 8. The Cascadia Double. A custom sleeper builds upon Freightliner's aerodynamic foundation while integrating a high-end, extended living solution designed for maximum comfort and practicality. Its streamlined hood and integrated fairings enhance fuel efficiency while maintaining structural strength suitable for heavy-duty transport. Powered by a robust diesel engine paired with an efficient transmission system, it ensures reliable long-haul performance. The Double. A custom sleeper module significantly expands interior space, offering dedicated sleeping quarters, premium cabinetry, climate control systems, and integrated entertainment options. The interior layout emphasizes efficient space utilization, providing organized storage and ergonomic design elements that support extended stays. Advanced insulation materials reduce cabin noise and improve thermal consistency, creating a restful environment independent of external conditions. The driver's cockpit incorporates digital displays and supportive seating designed for comfort during extended driving sessions. The Cascadia Double. A custom sleeper represents a balanced combination of operational efficiency and personalized residential comfort engineered for professional over-the-road application. Number 7. The Kenworth W990, with an extended ARI Legacy Sleeper, combines bold long hood styling with expansive residential-grade customization engineered for serious long-haul professionals. The W990 platform delivers high-torque diesel performance, paired with heavy-duty transmission systems, designed for durability and consistent pulling power. Its aerodynamic refinements subtly enhance efficiency while preserving the traditional Kenworth profile and commanding chrome-accented presence. The extended RI Legacy Sleeper transforms the truck into a mobile suite, incorporating a private sleeping area, high-end cabinetry, kitchen facilities, entertainment systems, and advanced climate control integration. Structural enhancements ensure seamless chassis compatibility while maintaining stability and ride balance. The driver cabin integrates advanced instrumentation and ergonomic seating, supporting reduced fatigue during extended operations. Premium insulation enhances quietness and temperature regulation within the living quarters. The W990, with extended ARI Legacy Sleeper, represents a union of heritage styling, mechanical reliability, and full-scale residential functionality built for extended road living. Number 6. The Freightliner Cascadia, 32-foot custom sleeper residence, elevates the concept of over-the-road living to an unprecedented level by integrating an expansive residential structure with proven aerodynamic engineering. Built on the efficient Cascadia platform, it maintains fuel-conscious design elements while supporting the additional length and weight of the extended sleeper configuration. Number 5. The Volvo VNL, with a 240-inch ARI Legacy Super Sleeper, represents one of the most expansive and refined long-haul living configurations available, merging Scandinavian engineering with full residential-scale customization. Built on the aerodynamic VNL chassis, the truck benefits from optimized airflow contours and structural durability, designed for efficient highway performance. Its advanced diesel powertrain delivers smooth torque distribution and reliable endurance, ensuring consistent pulling capability across extended routes. The 240-inch ARI Legacy Super Sleeper transforms the rear section into a comprehensive living environment, incorporating a private bedroom area, premium cabinetry, kitchen installations, restroom facilities, and advanced climate control systems. The structural integration of the extended sleeper is reinforced to maintain balance. Number 4. The Peterbilt 567, with a 220-inch extended sleeper, combines vocational durability with premium long-haul accommodation, creating a versatile platform capable of demanding work and extended travel. Built on the rugged 567 chassis, it features reinforced structural components and a high-torque diesel engine engineered for heavy-duty performance. The 220-inch extended sleeper dramatically expands interior volume, enabling the integration of dedicated sleeping quarters, organized storage cabinetry, kitchen amenities, and independent climate management systems. Careful engineering ensures the extended module maintains weight balance and chassis integrity, preserving ride stability and handling precision. The driver cabin incorporates ergonomic seating, advanced instrumentation panels, and intuitive control layouts designed to reduce fatigue during long operations. Enhanced insulation supports temperature consistency and reduces road noise within the living space. The exterior retains Peterbilt's bold styling cues, projecting strength. Number 3. The Volvo VNL Legacy, with a 180-inch ARI Legacy Sleeper, delivers a refined balance between aerodynamic efficiency and extended living comfort, engineered for long-haul professionals seeking enhanced interior space without excessive length. The VNL platform provides optimized airflow, structural strength, and fuel-conscious engineering that supports consistent highway performance. Its diesel powertrain offers smooth acceleration and dependable torque output, paired with a responsive transmission system for seamless operation. The 180-inch ARI Legacy Sleeper introduces a Number 2. The Kenworth T680, with a 180-inch ARI Legacy Sleeper conversion, enhances the already aerodynamic T680 platform, with expanded living functionality tailored for long-distance operation. The sculpted hood and integrated fairings reduce drag while supporting fuel efficiency and highway stability. Its diesel engine configuration delivers consistent torque and smooth performance under sustained loads, paired with advanced transmission technology for reliable gear transitions. The 180-inch ARI Legacy conversion significantly increases interior space, allowing for a private sleeping area, organized cabinetry, kitchen integration, and climate management systems designed for extended comfort. Number 1. The Peterbilt 389 Legacy or Custom configuration stands as a powerful expression of traditional American trucking, elevated through personalized engineering and extended living integration. Built on the durable 389 chassis, it features a high-performance diesel engine, designed for strong torque delivery and heavy-duty reliability. Its extended hood profile, chrome detailing and bold stance reinforce its iconic presence, while benefiting from modern mechanical advancements. Custom sleeper configurations can range from expanded berths to fully equipped residential modules featuring premium cabinetry, climate systems, entertainment setups, and integrated facilities tailored to driver preferences. Structural enhancements ensure that any extended sleeper integrates securely with the frame while maintaining stability and balanced handling. The cockpit emphasizes driver engagement through advanced instrumentation and supportive seating designed for long-haul endurance. Enhanced insulation and soundproofing create a controlled interior environment for rest. The Peterbilt 389 Legacy or Custom represents a fusion of heritage styling, mechanical strength, and personalized luxury engineered for extended life on the highway.